a beautiful story, and I humbly request all of you to listen to it quietly. My story name is Two Friends and the Bear Too. Two friends were traveling together through a wood when suddenly they come across the bear. The bear said the travelers and rushed out upon them. One of the travelers was good at climbing trees. Without waiting for his friend, he caught hold of the branch of a nearby tree and hid himself among the leaves. The other did not know how to do. He had heard that Master Grand whispered to you and did not even breathe. It last with a growl it had and slouched up and following the tree, come down to his comrade and laughing said, What was it? What was it that Master Brand whispered to you? He told me, said the other, never trust. Friends, he did not even breathe. At last, with a growl, it shook its hand, slouched up, then they follow in the tree, come down to his comrade and laughing said, What was it? The Master Brand whispered to you. He told me, said the other, never trust. Friends, visitors, you at a pinch. Thank you.